Hi guys, good afternoon or good day or good morning to you. It doesn't matter what time of day it is where you are. I'm going to be sharing with you today how to make a slab pot. In our previous lesson, I would have taught you how to make a coil pot, and also in the previous lesson, the one before that, I would have shown you how to make a simple pinch pot. Now these are, as I said before, traditional pot building techniques. It's different from actually when you're throwing on a potter's wheel. So in ancient times, which is what we basically inherit, we do our research, we learn that these pottery building techniques were very important. They still are today, because we have both. These were mainly functional objects that were made, even though we have both decorative and functional objects that we can make from clay. These were specifically made for functional use because they needed it during that time, even more so than now. But they weren't so advanced with the modern technology. So as I said before, our most important tools are our hands when we're doing pottery ceramics. Alright, so basically, as I said, we're looking at the slab pot. We have our clay, it's ready. So it's literally making a box from clay. So you know that a box can have 6 sides if it is enclosed. If it is open without a top on it, a lid, you need only 5 sides. The base, it could be a square looking box or it could be a rectangular looking box. It's up to you. Alright, so you need your rolling pin. You need your rolling pin to fly. Alright, so after we roll our clay out as flat as we can, to the thickness that we are comfortable with, what we basically are gonna do is just cut the slabs out of it the size that we want. Okay, so you need to make sure you get the base out of it. Balance is important in art, so we have to make sure that we have some form of balance going on. Helps to put things together easily and make things less complicated when we have some form of balance. All of this would be measured if I'm going for accuracy. This is just judgmental. I'm just using my judgment. I'm estimating, you know, but usually, like I said, we would measure the dimensions of each rectangle or each square. Once we have our base, need our sides. Just like when we're making the coil pot, score into the clay, etched into the clay, and and then you want to make sure you add slip. And you put the sides on. You would want to add the slip right there with a paintbrush and some slip is liquid clay or water, but my clay I don't have to. Alright, here we are guys, we're getting there. These are going to be narrow than what we have before, so I'm measure here and I'm going to have to cut off some of this. Always give your kids the opportunity to explore these mediums, because you do not know what they're gonna end up wanting to do as a career in the future. Because I would have had the experience of handling clay from an early stage, even before I discovered that I would become an artist or learn the word art. Alright? Very rewarding, it's very fulfilling, and it keeps you focused, you know. It gives you a sense of purpose, and it has all the other skills in it. And mathematically, you know, you have to deal with measurement. Most buildings, most structures are just a huge box. That's what it is. A building, once you're able to make a form such as a box, you could be able to make a house, any building. Right? So here it is, putting on the sides, right? Putting on the sides. So the final side, you put in. You have box, it's just the materials that are different. You have boxes that are wooden, boxes that are concrete, boxes that are made of stone, all different types of boxes, even gold. Jeweler box, you could make it into a jeweler box. That's what it is, it's as simple as that. You have cardboard box, which is what we're familiar with. There it is, there you have it, there's your slab pot. You can make it tall, you can make it short, you can make it